In this video, I want to share with you 50 prompts for niches that will be trending in June. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you those 50 prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Tuesday, May 14th, 9:06 a.m. in the morning, sitting at 16 sales, $21 in royalties, 4 returns, but that is going to put me for the month at 894 sales and $1,337 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So like I said, this video is going to be about 50 niches for trends that will be, this is going to be 50 prompts for niches that will be trending in June. And if you want, I actually put it all into a Word document right here that you can download for free. So 50 free prompts for niches that will be trending in June. It's completely free. All you have to do is just go, I want this, and you just put the number 0 right here, and then you click on it. I won't send you any emails. It just makes it easy for you guys to use the prompts. And also the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to show you what you will be receiving if you become a gold member, but I'm going to get into that towards the end of the video. First, I just want to give you the value right here, the free value, and then I'll kind of share with you what my offer is. But like I said, you can get all of these prompts for free. You're going to get a Word document right here, which I will go over here in a second, with the 50 prompts. Okay, so let me go ahead and share with you the first prompt that's going to be trending in June. And June is National Camping Month. Right here you can see camping is a huge niche every year on Merch by Amazon. And here is the design for the prompt that I came up with. It's actually the one that I like the best. So life is better at the campfire. You can see, I mean, this looks really good in my opinion. Really like the detail. This is the prompt right here. I won't read it. You can get it in the Word file and also PDF file as well. Here what some of the other ones look like. Life is better at the campfire. They did campfire twice here, so maybe get rid of that right there. This one also, I really like the white. I thought that was really cool. And I also really like this one as well, except they just got the life and the wrong, that shouldn't be there. But I would have really liked if I could have gotten this one in this color right here. I really like the color here, but I like the design for this one. And I'm also using the magic prompt. If you look at the Word file, like at the beginning, the prompts are good, but towards the end I started using these magic prompts right here. You can see they're just more descriptive, like more intricate, and I like these a lot better. I've gotten better results. Okay, so that is the first prompt that I have for you. It's in the camping niche. It will be trending next month in June. And then the next prompt that I have for you is in the dentist niche, because June 2nd, we're going to see it's National I Love My Dentist Day. And if we go to IDEOGRAM, we're going to see this is the design for the prompt that I have for you. I love my dentist. I think this looks very good. Very simple, very clean. There's also this one, which I think is just as good, maybe even better. I like that one. The heart probably could be a little bit better, but you could probably just remix it. Then there was this one as well, which I think works, kind of like the Tooth Fairy. This one I think kind of look more like a book cover, so you can actually even use these for like KDP if you're doing like low content books on KDP. But what do you guys think about this one? I think this is pretty good as well. And that is the second prompt that I have for you. And then the next prompt that I have for you is in the corn niche, or corn on the cob niche, because June 11th marks the calendar to celebrate National Corn on the Cob Day. And here actually I have 2 prompts for this niche right here. So this one, I just really love corn. Okay, this is a very popular design phrase that we've seen sell on merch over the years. You can basically just take I just really love, and you just pop it in any niche. But since it's corn day, or corn on the cob day coming up, this works well. But I think this is a really good design. Everything I think is spelled correctly. Here's some other ones. That one looks really good as well. I think they all look pretty good. And then I actually have another one as well in the corn niche. Sorry, I wasn't listening. I was thinking about corn. Again, this is the same idea, or the same, like it's a popular phrase that we've seen sell well over the years. Basically, sorry, I wasn't listening. I was thinking about, and you just pop in the niche. But this is what it looks like with the corn on the cob, dabbing with the headphones. This one's kind of weird with the towel right there. This one's also kind of weird if you get rid of the white, but this one I think works well, and also this one works well also. One thing that I want to mention about these prompts, or about this word file, is I went ahead and I trademarked everything in these for all these phrases right here. But you never want to trust anybody regarding your Merch by Amazon account, because I'm human. I can make a mistake. Now obviously I want to put out good content, because I don't want to put out something that's going to make me look bad, make my brand look bad. So I checked every one of these niches right here, every one of these phrases, and the way that I did it, I just come here to upsell. Like for that first niche I share with you, life is better at the campfire, nothing pops up. And then I also like to just pop it into my Merch by Amazon creator dashboard and use the producer extension to see if anything comes up. So point that I'm trying to make here is that I did check all these phrases for trademark, wasn't able to find anything, so they should be safe. But again, always do your research and never trust anybody on the internet, because I'm human and I could make a mistake. And then the next prompt that I have for you is in the donut niche, because June 7th is National Donut Day. On the first Friday of June every year, Americans and Canadians gather around to celebrate National Donut Day, to celebrate one of their most loved sweet treats. I love donuts as well. Here is what the design looked like for the prompt. I think this is pretty good. I don't know why it had pink on the background right here. You can see that I say on a white background, so not too sure why it messed that up, but I think these look really good. All you have to do is just get rid of the background. You could put it on a white t-shirt. Here what some of the other ones look like, very similar. This one does have a white background, but it's kind of strange with, I don't know, those accents in the back. But that, I believe, is the 5th prompt that I have for you in the donut niche. Will be trending next month in June. And then the next prompt that I have for you is in the giraffe niche, because June 21st is World Giraffe Day. It's celebrated on June 21st every year. And here are what some of the designs look like for the prompts that I have for you. And these were actually probably my favorite. I just really like this giraffe, the look that it has on its face. It's got the mustache, it's got the text, looks like it's correct. And all 4 of these I think came out pretty good. Always, well, they forgot the B, but maybe that's the worst one. But this one I thought was really cool. It looks like Sherlock Holmes, always be yourself unless you can be a giraffe, and always be a giraffe. So that looks like the text is correct. And let's look at this one as well. That's another really good one with the hat. Always be yourself unless you well, they messed up the N right there. But I mean, these look really good, guys, at least in my opinion. So yeah, so that is the 6th prompt that I have for you. And this is what the design looks like. It's a magic prompt. Now let me go ahead and show you what you get when you become a gold member. Okay, so I am now offering members only content on my YouTube channel. If you click this join button right here, here are the 3. Are you ready? Oops, let me pause that. Here are the 3 tiers that I offer. So bronze is just if you just want to like support the free content that I'm making. You also get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments, but the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold tiers. So if you're a silver member, you're basically going to get 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. Each video will come out on Monday at 6 a.m. and basically the video is going to be about 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches or saying, and each niche is going to come with a prompt. You also get a daily market update, where I basically just share with you any trending niches that I see, anything to like look out for, maybe like a prompt. There has to be like something trending for me to basically make a post, but if there's not something trending, then I just try and give you like some other type of valuable content. That's what the silver gets you. But if you sign up to the gold, I'm going to give you every month I'm going to give you a word file that has 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So like for example, if you were to become a gold member today is May 14th, that means on June 1st you would receive a word file with 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in July. That way you'll have a whole month like buffer time or time to prepare yourself to create the designs, get them uploaded, and basically be ready to get sales in July. So that's what the gold will get you, and it also gets you everything from the silver as well. Now the silver is only $7 a month and the gold is only $10. Now I'm in Mexico, so these prices are in pesos, so I'm going to have to figure out the conversion, but that's what I'm going to try to basically make it the price be. Let me go like that again. Are you ready? But yeah, so basically it's going to be $7 for the silver and $10 for the gold. Now if the join button is not available to you in your country, I'm going to offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. The Patreon link will be in the description. All right. And then I also just wanted to go over like the type of niches that will be in the word file in the 100 prompts. So basically it's going to be like animal prompts. There's also going to be like food prompts. We're also going to have health awareness prompts, special interest prompts, career prompts. These ones are really good. like dentist, CNA, nurse, arts and entertainment prompts, and also there's going to be a fun prompts as well. So like each category is going to have probably like 20 prompts or so. It just kind of depends what that month is going to be giving us. But yeah, so you're going to get this Word file every month, first of the month, and it's going to be 100 prompts that you can use on IDEOGRAM. And that's a pretty good deal because, you know, on IDEOGRAM, you can just sign up for free and you get 25 prompts a day, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you know. So with 100 prompts, you know, in 4 days, if my math is correct, you know, you can get some good designs. And then one last thing that I want to share with you before I sign off here, if you want to learn how I get sales like this on a regular daily basis and you're a beginner on Merch by Amazon, I actually have a beginner's course. So like if you're stuck in tier 10 or if you're below like tier 100 or you're only making like less than $100 a month on Merch by Amazon, I would highly recommend that you check out my beginner's course. It is on Gumroad. It's only $19.99. I'm going to teach you basically everything that I've learned since I've been on Merch. I've been on Merch for 7 years now, I believe. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I am waiting for a tier up, so that should be happening here soon. But if you're interested, check it out. It's good for beginners, good for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. But if not, it's all good. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Now, if you don't want any of this promotional stuff, that's fine. You can just subscribe. It's free, and I put out like 3 videos a week, maybe even more, of free content talking about like low competition niches, trending niches, prompts, anything to do with print on demand. So you can also get the free content as well. Just subscribe to the channel and click the bell. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.